wasn't in time. Oh, that was a freaking rainbow.
No, it's not happening.
Brooke came along and the thing froze, so the freaking timer froze. So our voices. What if our voices didn't freeze? Oh my god. Oh, get what? William Afton. Today. No, yesterday we doused ourselves in holy water. Holy water. By the way, we were playing a game.
Yeah. That didn't work. That was funny. Ew! Why are you so disgusting?
I'm sorry. I was gonna burp, and I was like, turn the camera on. Why I was gonna burp?
Turn the camera on.
No.
Yeah. We're getting pizza at 9:33. This is just a mental note for us because yeah.
The one day I say, no, you married me.
No. Was that a laugher? Oh. Okay, I caught it on camera. I don't think it caught it.
I want to kiss the cassiones. What? Somebody come get him. Killing all the children. Somebody come get him. Let it out.
Oh, that tastes like puke. Friends, they don't kiss friends. But we're not friends. Okay, so I was just left to go to the bathroom. So I'm just gonna quickly make these two make out because that's what I do. I promise this is a prawn. Did you know that she's really dumb. I'm kidding. I was kidding. Love you guys. You guys are beautiful. Love you. We can make out another time. I'm a disappointment. Ooh, yeah.
That's the limit for Rebel.
Hey, record for 6 more minutes. Because I deleted stuff on my phone. Pizza, Mom. Disgusting as usual.
You little meow. Your camera. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Look at these beautiful shiny eyeballs. Look at her bulb. Look at her bulb. Look at my eyes. Ah! Look at my eyes.
Look into my eyes. It's okay, I don't think I heard that.
Wait, we can't exit the thing until we both book.
We moved at the same time. Oh wait, how many people? There's 2 people that asked for part 2 of the Burping compilation, but I think they deleted their comment because I can't find those comments again, which is kind of sad. Maybe they were embarrassed that they asked that.
I need a book, but it won't come out.
By the way, we're chugging our pop right now until we burp, so yeah.
It was holding back for the final grand finale pop.
I'm so glad you finally got the burp out.
That was literally the book that I was waiting to get out.
Yeah, because I'm so glad that you finally got one of your big burps on here.
Yeah. It won't come out.
There's so soon on your face. It won't come out.
It's our lifestyle.
It's not obsession, it's a lifestyle. I can only record for 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Mommy! I'm a global mew. I took away your boy.
That tastes like.
I need a ball.
Listen, I burped and liquid came out. It tastes like pizza.
Boys.
I can record for 1 minute and 40 seconds now.
What?
Because I've been recording for every other second. This burping compilation is going to be shorter.
For this one, it's just going to be 1 minute. The last one is just going to be 1 minute.
Imagine if there's a burp that long. It probably is.
But I need a burp it.
Did it come out?
I'm so glowy.
Wait, do it again. So glowy.
It's so glowy.
So glowy.
So glowy. What a glowing compilation. Ew, took my booty.
Stop.
Okay, fine.
PG. You look.